Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to completely remove ads from your POCO phones. Whether you're using HyperOS or an older version like a MIUI. In this tutorial, I'll be using a POCO phones, but actually this method is also works for Xiaomi and Redmi device. That's because all the three brands share the same base system, either the MIUI or HyperOS. So the ad settings are nearly identical across all devices, and this guide will work for all of them. So let's get started. First, just turn off the personalized ad recommendation on your phone by go to the settings and then scroll down and then select fingerprint, face data and screen lock menu and then select the privacy, scroll down and select add service. And on these options, on these personalized ads, just make sure that this option is turned off. If it's still enabled, just with the toggle off. This will stop the system from tracking your behavior to display targeted ads. Next, step 2, just go back again, and then scroll down, and then select authorizations and revocations, and then find the MSA. In my case, it's already turned off, but if yours is still enabled, just toggle it off and wait for the countdown to revoke. And once the revoke button appears, just tap it. And if it doesn't work in the first try, don't worry, just try again with a stable internet connections, because it uses internet connections. And then step 3, just turn off all ads recommendations and default apps on your phones by just go back. For example, we will turn off the ads recommendations on the music apps. Just tap in and then go to the settings, this one, and then advanced settings, scroll down and the turn off show ads button. And then repeat these steps in other built-in apps like games, Mi Videos, or the Mi Browser, and other more. For other example, we will also turn off the ads on the Mi Browser, and then go to your profile, and then settings, scroll down, go to the advanced menu, and make sure the show ads button is turned off. And just repeat these steps on other built-in apps. After that, just restart your phone to make sure all changes take effect properly. And that's it. Now your POCO phones or even your Xiaomi or Redmi device is free from annoying ads. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.